The Remington 1100 and 1187 have been some of America's most well-known and reliable shotguns and have accompanied generations of sportsmen to the field and to the range. With proper maintenance, these guns can give you a lifetime of dependable service. In this series of videos, we'll show you how to properly field strip, clean, lubricate, and reassemble the Remington 1100 and 1187 family of shotguns. Before field stripping any firearm, you first want to check to be sure the gun is completely unloaded. With the safety in the on position and the muzzle oriented in a safe direction, lock the bolt open. Then physically and visually inspect the magazine tube as well as the chamber. Once you're sure the gun is completely empty and all possible ammunition sources have been removed from the work area, disassembly can begin. Start by unscrewing the magazine cap, then slide the forearm off the gun. Now the barrel can be pulled from the receiver. Next, to avoid damaging the barrel seal when removing it from the magazine tube, use a shop rag to wipe off the tube to remove any debris. You may also want to place some tape over the threads. Then the barrel seal can be carefully rolled off the magazine tube. The piston and piston seal can then be slid off. At this point, we can remove the bolt. To do so, press the bolt release while holding back on the operating handle to ease it forward. Now the operating handle can be pulled out of the bolt and set aside. Next, push the carrier release to raise the carrier, then reach in and press the feed latch. This allows the action bar assembly to be removed from the receiver along with the bolt. Once free of the action, the bolt can easily be lifted from the action bar assembly. Next, we'll remove the trigger plate assembly. To do so, simply drive out the two pins using a push pin and a bench block. Once the pins have been removed, the trigger plate can be pulled down and away from the receiver. To remove the link, pull it forward and rotate it 90 degrees and lift it out of the bottom of the receiver. The gun is now field stripped. In our next video, we'll cover how to properly clean your Remington 1100 and 1187.